Hi, fam. Welcome. Today's class challenge is going to be about creating a new city for our dino friend who got a little carried away and completely flattened this one. Now he's sad and bored. What we want to create is something like this, where dinos having a good time, kicking over cars, throwing fire everywhere. Oh yeah, fun times had by all. What we have here is a bunch of set dressing that we can place on the board here. We're going to reuse a lot of the tools we've already been learning about, like the move tool and the rotate tool. We're selecting things with right click. Now the one hotkey that I've added is the question mark, which is zoom to an object. Now, that isn't its original placement. That's because we're using the class 2020 hotkey set, where if you select an object and you press that question mark or / down at the bottom right of your keyboard near the shift, and you'll zoom right to that object. Sometimes, depending on where your center pivot is, if I try and zoom to that building there, I'll hit a point where I just can't get any closer. But if I can select it, press the question mark there. Now I should be able to get just a little bit closer. I can't select anything. So this helps you zoom into objects that you want to edit. Now we'll just take a minute and build our city. We can actually even modify our Godzilla friend here. He has a bunch of controls on him that I put. Just like Stuart. We can open his mouth. Hello, I love you. Put his hands in the air. Oh, little dino hand. Don't go very far. Oh, dino hands. Move his hips. Oop, oop. Oh, he's doing a little dino dance. Yeah, 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 yeah. Kick a car. Outer space. As giant dinosaurs do. Tilt them up. Watch this go into outer space. Take that car out a bit. Get him right into it. Ooh, really pop. Yeah, get him up on his toes. Really bending these polygons here. And just like, take your time, have some fun. A little flame on the car. All lined up. So I'm going to use the number pad. But you can use the keypad on the top of your keyboard, 1, 3, and 7. Holding shift and right clicking. There, now it's just rocketing in the sky. And I even made a sweet little laser tornado that you can have our dino friend blasting at the city. Get that coming up. So you want to place the bottom first. Just something to make Godzilla proud here. Cop cars. Get blown to smithereens. Up in the bit. A little spin. This looks gonna be upside down. This one's going places. Whoa! Just have some fun. Alright, fam. Thanks for the visit. See you in the next one. Peace, peace.
Bingoa.